How to make your TikTok account public. Open the TikTok application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. You can access the settings over here. Scroll down. Find the section for visibility. Right over here you can see the option for private account. Tap on it. Right now my account is private. If you want to make it public, toggle off this button for private account. Now you can switch to public account. If you switch to public account, anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. Tap on the option switch. Now you can see over here your account will be public. Like this, you can make your TikTok account public. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.